5 ways to consume chia seeds and the health benefits. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of a tiny but mighty superfood, chia seeds. You've probably seen them sprinkled on smoothie bowls or popping up in health food stores. But what's all the fuss about? Well, these little seeds are nutritional powerhouses. And today, I'm going to share 5 super easy and delicious ways to add them to your diet. Plus we'll talk about all the amazing health benefits they offer. So, if you're ready to boost your health game, stick around. First, let's quickly talk about why chia seeds are so incredible. For starters, they are loaded with fiber. Just 2 tablespoons contain about 10 grams of fiber, which is almost half of the daily recommendation for many people. This fiber is amazing for your digestive health, helping you stay regular and feeding the good bacteria in your gut. They're also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically ILA, which is fantastic for brain health and reducing inflammation. On top of that, they're a great source of plant-based protein, antioxidants, and essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. It's truly amazing how much goodness is packed into such a tiny seed. Alright, let's get into the fun part. How to eat them. My number 1, all-time favorite way is making chia seed pudding. It's the simplest, most versatile breakfast or snack you can imagine. All you need to do is mix about 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of your favorite milk. I love using almond or coconut milk. Then, add a little sweetener, like maple syrup or honey, a splash of vanilla extract, and give it a good stir. Let it sit in the fridge for at least a couple of hours, or even better, overnight. The chia seeds will absorb the liquid and transform into this thick, creamy, pudding-like consistency. It's magic. In the morning, you can top it with fresh berries, nuts, granola, or whatever you like. It's a grab-and-go breakfast that will keep you full and energized for hours. The second method is to blend them into your smoothies. This is probably the easiest way to get your daily dose of chia without even noticing. Just add 1 or 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to your blender along with your usual smoothie ingredients, fruits, veggies, protein powder, and liquid. The seeds will thicken the smoothie slightly, giving it a richer texture. Because they don't have a strong flavor, they won't alter the taste of your delicious creation. This is a perfect hack for anyone who is a bit picky about textures but still wants to get all the health benefits. You get the fiber, the protein, and the omega-3 south, all while sipping on your favorite strawberry banana smoothie. Easy peasy. Our third method is to use them as an egg replacer in baking. This is a game changer for my vegan friends or anyone with an egg allergy. To make a chia egg, you just mix 1 tablespoon of ground chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until it forms a gel-like consistency, very similar to a raw egg. You can use this chia egg to replace a real egg in recipes for muffins, cookies, pancakes, and quick breads. It works as a fantastic binder. I find it works best in recipes that call for just 1 or 2 eggs. It's a simple, healthy, and plant-based alternative that makes your baked goods a little more nutritious. Moving on to number 4. Making a healthy jam. Traditional jams are often loaded with sugar and preservatives, but you can make your own healthy version in minutes using chia seeds. All you need is a cup of your favorite fruit, like strawberries, raspberries, or blueberries. Mash the fruit up in a small saucepan over medium heat. Once it gets warm and juicy, remove it from the heat and stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and a little bit of your preferred sweetener, if you even need it. As it cools, the chia seeds will work their magic and thicken the mashed fruit into a perfect, spreadable jam. You can store it in the fridge for about a week and use it on toast, oatmeal, yogurt, or as a topping for your chia pudding. It's delicious, packed with nutrients, and free from all the unnecessary stuff. And finally, our 5th way is to simply sprinkle them on everything. This is the no-fuss, no-prep method. You can sprinkle whole or ground chia seeds on your oatmeal, yogurt, salads, or even on top of avocado toast. They add a nice little crunch and a big nutritional boost to pretty much any meal. I keep a small jar of chia seeds on my counter right next to my salt and pepper, so I remember to add them to my dishes. It's a habit that's super easy to adopt. You can also add them to homemade granola bars or energy balls. The possibilities are endless, really. They integrate seamlessly into so many foods you're probably already eating. So, to recap the incredible benefits, by incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you're supporting your digestive system with a huge dose of fiber, which can also help with weight management by keeping you feeling full longer. You're fueling your brain and fighting inflammation with plant-based omega-3 south, you're strengthening your bones with calcium and magnesium, and you're getting a nice boost of protein and antioxidants to help your body thrive. All of that from a tiny, unassuming seed. I really encourage you to give Chia a shot. Start with the one that sounds most appealing to you, whether it's the creamy pudding or just a simple sprinkle on your morning yogurt. You might be surprised at how easy and tasty it is to make chia seeds a regular part of your routine. And remember, when you first start adding more fiber to your diet, it's a good idea to start with a smaller amount and increase it gradually. Also, make sure you're drinking plenty of water, as the fiber in chia seeds absorbs a lot of it. This will help your digestive system adjust smoothly. It's all about making small, sustainable changes that lead to big health rewards. Finding foods like chia seeds that are both versatile and incredibly good for you is a total win. So go ahead, get creative in the kitchen and see how you can add this superfood to your meals. That's all for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful and are feeling inspired to try chia seeds. If you have any other favorite ways to use them, please share them in the comments below. I love learning new ideas from you all. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.